Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Inspired by 2001, A Space Odyssey, when Kenny and his buddy Wade Mackenzie installed their monolith on the top of Pine Mountain in Atascadero, they only knew of two others, the monoliths in Utah and Romania. 20 December 2020.
Take our lead.
Into the fiery, plague-ridden nightmarescape of 2020, like a gift from some benevolent higher being, has come a source of true wonder and delight. The wandering monoliths of Utah, Romania, California, and New Mexico. The monoliths are long vertical slabs of metal, each 10 to 12 feet tall. 8 December 2020.
Take our lead.
In 2020, a mysterious metal monolith of unknown origin appeared in Utah, dubbed the Utah monolith. The monolith was planted outside Melbourne, Australia. Auntie Donna jokingly said that their monolith and the collaboration with I Did a Thing was to promote their upcoming Netflix show.
Let's help you make your mark.
Referred to as monoliths, these sheet metal structures began to be constructed in the wake of the discovery of the Utah monolith, a 3 meters (9.8 feet) tall pillar made of metal sheets riveted into a triangular prism, placed in a red sandstone slot canyon in northern San Juan County, Utah.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.